Hola amigos, Feliz Navidad! How many more parties you going to go before the end of the year? Will you be going to a potluck? What you going to bring? Turkey, pizza, shepherd pie, pasta, apple crumble? How about something new? Recently, my teacher taught me how to make a traditional Guatemalan cuisine called PEPIAN. It's a cuisine that's for birthday, wedding, or special occasions. I found that it's not too difficult to make, but you need to have a blender because you need it for the sauce, which is the soul of the cuisine. With that being said, let's go to the market and get some ingredients. This is the one and only market in San Pedro. If you want to get groceries, be early. First, we get some vegetables. I will have the list of ingredients and portion in the middle of the video, so don't worry. It's enough for 4 people.
Media libra.
Quase bien.
Ok, un poco más. Vamos a ver. Nosotros queremos media libra. 6.25.
6.25.
Then it's the sauce part. We need a lot of tomatoes. We also need some dried chilies, sunflower seeds, sesames, and peanuts.
Está 5.50. Turkey.
Next is fresh chicken. Not that fresh. Okay, here we go. Our box is too small, so we have to ask the gentleman to chop the drumsticks for us.
Okay, no.
I have no rice at home, so we are getting some from the market. We are going to cook it with some fresh corns. At last, we're at the fruit store to get a piece of pineapple for the drink. Oops, we forget the cinnamon stick. That's also for the drink. Here is the ingredients and portions for today. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started. First, we're going to wash the tomatoes and grill them on the coma. I hope I pronounced it right. Meanwhile, I prepared the rice with fresh corns in the rice cooker. Bien.
Muy bien, corta.
No, por favor. We have to turn the tomatoes, otherwise they will get burned. And we put the onion together. If you don't have a comal, a frying pan, or a barbecue stove will do the job. But I have to say, comal is so convenient to reheat tortillas, pizza, bread, or to make quesadillas.
¿Puedo comer?
Sí.
Next, we heat up the sesames, sunflower seeds, and peanuts together, so the flavor will come out. We don't need a drop of oil in this dish. After a while, we can heat up the dried chilies as well. Now I'm going to peel and chop the carrot, potatoes, and beans. I boil the beans and carrot together first. The tomatoes are ready. Let's remove them from the stove. Ooh, it's hot. Now we can add the potatoes in the pot together with the beans and carrot. Let it boil till everything is soft. For the drink, we are making Jamaica today. If you want to do the same, you can boil it with water now. The rice looks good. Let me stir it so it won't stick on the rice cooker. Once the vegetable is done, I transfer it to a bowl so I have the pot to boil chicken. Next, my teacher removes the seeds from the chilies and boiled it with water. At this moment, the Jamaica is almost done. I add half of the cinnamon stick into it. Now it's time for the sauce. We chop the onion and put it aside with the tomatoes.
echarla.
Then we add the sesame, sunflower seeds, peanuts, and chili water together. After that, we can add tomatoes, onion, and chilies into the blender. Mix it till the sauce is smooth. The chicken is done. Let's remove it from the pot. Keep the chicken broth and mix it with the sauce. Let it boil for a while. Then put back the chicken and vegetables and boil a few minutes more.
Mira.
Now we cut the pineapples into cubes and put into our Jamaica drink. You can add sugar if you like. We are done! That's the traditional Guatemalan dish, PEPIAN. Since we don't drink alcohol, we replace it with the Jamaica drink. Don't they look like the same? Let my teacher Tere explain about PEPIAN.
Es una comida guatemalteca muy degustada a nivel de toda Guatemala y especialmente preparada para algún evento especial como cumpleaños, boda o un evento muy importante para la vida de cada persona. Así que buen provecho, vamos a degustar el PEPIAN.
Gracias. Provecho. Salud. Salud.
Salud.
It's not too difficult, right? Would you like to make PEPIAN sometimes? Leave me a comment down below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We have to eat now. Provecho.
Caliente.
Salud.